Hello, my name is Amit Kumar and my roll number is 20CS30003 and my section is 3. I'm going to make a dice actually. Make an intersection and so you got the shape for the dice which you can see. Here. I have created the sketch and now I am going to use the pocket option for filling it. And here we are done up with all the faces. I have marked all the numbers on its 6 faces. You can see now it's time for the colors. By right clicking on this pocket option and by going to the set colors, I have actually selected of the faces and clicked on the green option and have colored the dice. Here we can see it. Go to mesh design, then meshes, then create mesh from shape, and then I have already selected the whole body by clicking on the pocket 5 option. Then I only need to select on fine and then click OK and wait for some time. Creating the fine mesh, I got this. Now for the print to happen, like say I put it up, for print to happen, we can also rotate our dice like this so that we can decide which face is going to be downward or which face is going to be upward during our 3D printing. And by clicking on the lay flag, our object is going to lay down on our on our base. Then select here the properties which you want in your device dice and click on the draft first option, and then in the quality option we don't need any change. In the infill option we can change that. We need 100% of infill. We want the strongest one. And of course the infill pattern which I have chosen here is triangles. I can also choose any cubic, say octet or quarter cubic or zigzag or cos 3D, anyone. So let's but I want let's say try hexagon. Then material printing temperature is 200 degrees Celsius. Build temperature is 80. Build plate temperature or the base temperature is 80 degrees Celsius. And the speed by which is going to print is 60 millimeter per second. Travel, cooling support, and the adhesion is the as we have studied, there are three options doing wrap and skirt. So I'm going to choose brim, which is the brim option. So now if I click on slice and then click on preview, then I'm going to see what is going how is my print going to happen. You can see over here. And now you can see that the upper part where switching written is visible, and also this part will be visible when the print is ready. You can see it will take almost 3 hours for the print. To reduce the time, as suggested, we can decrease its density, and then when I again click on slice, then I get that 55 minutes in which this cube will be made with 20% density, and this is the way how our cube will be made. This shows up the process time to time. If you want to see how it's going to look inside, let's close up with it. And here it is, you are going to see a hexagonal shape, and you see where it is the hexagonal shape which you are seeing here. It's a hexagonal shape. Yes. So this is the way how it will be in the then click on save file, and here this is going to create, and by clicking on the save file it will create a G code.